Is Apple about to make a game-changing move in AI? Steve Kovac explores Apple's rumored hunt for AI acquisitions, with Tim Cook dropping hints about the company's next big leap. But will Apple's acquisition strategy be bold enough to catch up with rivals like Google and OpenAI? Or will it play it safe and risk falling further behind?
Investments to get there. This also echoes what he told me the day before during the earnings, saying they're going to significantly increase AI investment for compute and talent. Also told me he's willing to acquire companies that accelerate Apple's roadmap. Now, according to PitchBook, Apple acquired a few small companies so far this year, though only one appears related to AI. That would be Seattle-based startup Y Labs. Some notable acquisitions in Apple's history, though, the $3 billion for Beats over a decade ago. Of course, that was for music streaming and audio accessories. They also paid $1 billion for Intel's 5G modem business. Those modems are just now being used in some iPhones and will eventually phase out Qualcomm's modems in all devices. Other features and products come from smaller acquisitions. You have Shazam, Siri, and that weather app Dark Sky. But if Cook is serious about AI M&A, he may need to start spending bigger. Some potential targets, we talk about these all the time, Perplexity, and in fact, Apple already hinted at least a partnership with Perplexity. Then there's Anthropic, the OpenAI competitor, and Mistral, a smaller company. It's an open source startup making AI models. Now, look, but Apple may also decide to partner instead of acquire. Bloomberg also reported that earlier this summer. Cook may have even given a subtle hint that's the direction he's going to take. Asked on the earnings call last week if AI models are becoming commoditized, Cook said he didn't want to give away strategy. So my read into that, considering using one of those commoditized models for Apple Intelligence, that could be Anthropic, that could be OpenAI, or one of the others, guys.